Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. Early in the morning.
Yep.
What is this?
Helmet.
Helmet. Yeah. The car we have a little bit broken. We have some problem, and yesterday we go to one shop.
Yep.
He check everything, and the air condition not running good. And when he put new liquid going outside,
Yeah.
inside deep in the motor, I think one line something is broken, and this we have to change.
Yep.
Need long time, 2 days. He have a little
Yeah.
bit put something from the motor outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, we bring the car. About this we have helmet. I driving with car, you driving with
Motorbike.
motorbike. We let the car and that we driving back together. And when everything fine, we can pick up tomorrow.
Yep.
We go together to the shop to repair. You can see the place. Then we looking, I hope everything fine, and we looking how much we have to pay.
Yep.
Okay,
Let's
let's go. So early in the morning, here's the car, the Hyundai. Here's the my incognito with motorbike. Yeah, we have 8. We want to bring the car very early that we can pick up, I hope, tomorrow. Have to cleaning next.
So right now we are right in the place, the repair. This place is the from the husband, big sister, the girl teaching me to learning about car grade. The husband is the husband from big sister from her.
Big hole.
Yeah, very big.
This is this is good when
Yeah, the husband.
you know a little bit people and trust a little bit.
Yeah. Same
When-
thing, you know,
Yeah.
same with different.
When you're new in a country and about here to do something, repair something, especially about car, not all people may be honest. Maybe sometimes you worry it. The people repair correct, or the people make correct price too.
Yeah.
And here we have good feeling. So we go home and you see here in Vientiane in Laos and capital, better wear helmet when you're driving motorbike. She have many police stop, and when people wear no helmet, money, and when verlang wear no helmet, stop. So go back home very near. Yeah, this is so road in Laos.
Tilak, very surprised. Now we can pick up car.
The people from the place say, okay, 1 day, 1.5 day, we bring in the morning. Now it's early afternoon.
Yeah,
Call, finish.
that's the big problem. Only
Yeah.
some have to change something, but not so hard.
something about make cool, about air condition. We put one picture here in the video that you can see that. I'm not professional about car. I'm a little bit stupid. Maybe many people know what is this. When? Put in the comment, please. Then
Yes.
I know that.
Okay, close the door, my love. Then we're driving again motorbike. Look cloudy, maybe raining later. Then it's good that we pick up the car now.
So, angekommen. Wir müssen uns gleich ein bisschen sporten, weil... Arrived. Yeah, we have to a little bit hurry now. You see that? Very cloudy, and we feel next come raining. For me, no problem. I drive with car, but my have to go back with motorbike, and to be wet is not so funny. Yeah, here's the Hyundai. Everything finished. You see so many cars here. Big place. Have many co-workers, and now we let the price. How much we have to pay. Here guys, this from the car broken. I think it's something to make cool. How is this broken? Maybe bad way? Yeah, yeah.
จะตอดเมื่อสวัสดิ์เป็นช่วยทอดจะตากนิดนึง
Okay.
เขาบอกเอาไว้
Schlechte Straßen. Bad way
ก็รู้ว่า
make this broken.
เดี๋ยวไอ้สิอุดอย่างให้แหละแล้วก็ไม่ทำเดือดร้อน
Many pickups. So arrived, slowly start raining. Miley normally want to pick up food, but she come now home with motorbike. But maybe we go now together. When Asia girl hungry, give her food.
It's raining now.
Yeah. Lucky we arrived now.
No air condition
Ja, going.
normal
Gut. Hier bläst wieder die Kühle.
perfect
Ja.
Only looking about key now key
Yeah.
still small firm
Nee.
he say about connect not so good
Oh.
maybe not about battery but about connects
Ja.
you know same Wi-Fi like this not good connect
Mm. Okay.
then we watching again
Mm. So now the question. I don't know that until now. How many money we have to?
the first yesterday he said around about 5,000 baht
Yeah.
but today he said 4,500
4,500.
5,000 down
Okay. 500 down.
500 down yeah.
Okay. Change and you put inside 4,500 baht. Okay. Yeah. Same, not so cheap than in Europe, but the people have to live here, and when you put something new in the car, is new, and this you have to pay, and I think everywhere around about the same price. Okay, now we go home and eating, and
Okay, time to say goodbye everyone. If you like my video, give me the like, subscribe my channel, comment and share my video. Thank you so much. See you in next video everyone. Bye bye.
bye-bye.